Hi guys, welcome to Teachersin. So today we'll discuss about IIIT DM, Indian Institute of Information Technology Design and Manufacturing. Already announced their PhD admission notification for 2021-2022. So let's go to their official website and we'll see the details. So you can see here, this is the official website of IIIT DM, which is located in Chennai, Kanchipuram. So we'll go a little bit down. So here you can see in middle there is one option that is announcement. If you come, the first one is PhD admission for July 2021. So we have to click here. Left side you can see that PhD admission portal, brochure, then register, login and contact. So we have to click here for brochure. So this is the detailed notification information brochure for PhD program July session 2021. So here you can see the category of PhD admission under regular HTR scheme. So they are providing only full-time PhD program, and they are also providing the scholars need to do teaching assistantship for 8 hours per week. So this is one of the best thing I can say. You people will get a teaching assistantship every week for 8 hours. For that they will also pay some amount, and renewal of assistantship for every semester will be contingent on enrollment, satisfactory processing in research work and good performance during the proceeding semester. If you are good in teaching, then they will renewal it again, and the scholars will paid 31,000 per month for 2 years. Then next 2 years they will be getting 35,000 per month from third year to fifth years. Then let's go down, and those who are want to do their PhD on sponsorship, they can also do, but everything is in regular only. Then common eligibility criteria, here they have mentioned those who have done BE BTech, those who want to do their PhD after BE BTech, like CFTI, central funded any institute like NIT, IIT or IISc, like this kind of institute. So they should have like a minimum 8.0 CGP or 80% mark after BTech or BE. Those who wants to do PhD after bachelor's degree in engineering technology from any university other than central funded university, so they have to clear GATE exam. Apart from that, those who are doing like some research kind of thing after their bachelor's degree, so they should have good experience on that particular field, then they can also apply. And those who are holding master's degree or PG degree like ME, MTech, MDes, so they can also apply. With that, they should have like 5 years of experience in that particular field, good academic career with 5 years of experience. Apart from that, those who want to do their PhD in science, arts, so they should have clear GATE score or UGC CSIR NETs. Okay, so we'll go a little bit down. So you can also see that the sponsored category also, what are the facility they are providing to sponsored category people. Then you can see the lot of department. Here you can see computer science and engineering, educational qualification for admission to PhD program in different department and discipline. Computer science and engineering. Computer science and engineering, those who have done BTech, BE, MTech, ME, they are only eligible. MCA, MSc and MPhil are not eligible for this position. They can't apply for PhD program. Then electronics and communication engineering, then mechanical engineering, mathematics, then physics, English, then interdisciplinary design. So these are the department you can do your PhD here. Then selection procedure you can see here. They are doing their own written test. Otherwise you have to qualify GATE, NET or JRF, like that. So you will get all kind of information in this PDF only. So they have mentioned selection procedure will be written test and interview. Then application fee you can see here. For male candidate, general, OBC and EWS 250 rupees. For SC, ST and PWD 125 rupees. For female candidate, it is 125 rupees. For SC, ST, PWD also 125 rupees. Then you can see the course fee structure. You can see details course fee structure including hostel fee and mess charges. Okay, then instruction, how to apply. So they have given a big list, so you have to go through it before applying for this PhD program. Then here it is very important dates. The date is already started from 28th May 2021 and it will close. The last date for submission online application is 17th June 2021. So you have near to 17-18 days in your hand. So last date is 17th June. After that you can see the tentative dates for test or interview. They have mentioned for computer science and engineering 23rd June, then electronics and communication 24th June, then mechanical engineering 25th, mathematics 26th, English 26th, then interdisciplinary 28 and physics 29, like that you can see. Okay, then other points for consideration, you can go through it, details is here. Then area of interest, you can see in which area you want to do your PhD, and according to that who will be your guide. So you can see the guide name, you can do research on them. Then subject, those who have not done their like GATE and NET, so they have to go through some entrance test. So you can see the detailed syllabus of that entrance test as well as that interview test. So you can see the detailed syllabus here. For department wise, subject wise, they have given the you can see the details. Syllabus for test and interview for PhD physics. So subject wise you can get syllabus for PhD candidate mathematics. So you can get all the syllabus here. Then course completion certificate, there are some format they have given. So these are the details. So I'll show you how to apply. Here you can see we have already downloaded that brochure, we have gone through that. Then you have to register here, then you have to log in, then you have to contact us. Here you have to log in. First you have to register, then you can log in, then you can apply your PhD admission process. So these are the details. I'll give you this link in my description also, you can access directly from there. So try to apply as soon as possible. So these are the details. Thank you, all the best. So before leaving, I want to say our Teachers in channel is fully dedicated to teachers. Those who are looking for teachers related any studies, teachers related any competitive exam, teachers related any jobs, so they can subscribe our channel. In future, if there will be any update, so you can get it from here. Apart from this, you can also follow our social media sites like Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn, so that any notification will come immediately, you will get that notification. So thank you, all the best.